In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile name on ChatGPT quickly and easily. If you've recently updated your name, want your account to look more professional, or just need to correct a profile detail, this guide will walk you through the exact steps in a simple way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're on the main page, sign in to the account where you want to update the profile name. After you're logged in, look for the Settings area or your profile options. Depending on the layout, this may be inside the sidebar, your account menu, or a profile section near the bottom corner of the screen. Now go into your settings and find the section related to your profile. You're looking for your personal details or profile information. Once you locate the profile name field, click into it so you can edit the text. Delete the old name and type in your new name exactly how you want it to appear on your account. Take a moment to double-check the spelling, capitalization, and formatting before continuing. After you've entered your new profile name, look for the Save option. This is important because the change won't apply until you confirm it. Click Save and give the page a moment to update. In many cases, your new name will appear right away. But if you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or log out and back in to make sure the change is fully applied. If you're doing this on a work account, shared account, or creator account, it's a good idea to make sure the name matches how you want to be identified across your chats and profile. A clean, accurate profile name can make your account look more polished and easier to recognize. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile name on ChatGPT in just a few steps. No complicated settings, no extra tools, just a quick profile update. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more ChatGPT tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.